Good morning, friends. We have the entire family of Mr. Sanjay Chikara, who is an ultra runner and has been motivating and encouraging his complete family. Our first interaction with Mr. Sanjay Chikara was in Delhi. And, Mr. Sanjay Chikara ensured that all the women members, took the opportunity of International Women's Day, and he ensured that each and every woman, whether 50 years, 40 years, or even 15, 20 years, everyone is here. So, Mr. Sanjay Chikara, tell us something about your journey for running.
Yeah, this has been really an amazing journey. I started a couple of years ago, and it just came out not like an initiative. We decided to have a kind of a kilometer race in our society on 26 January 2015, and I thought 1 kilometer is easy, but 2 3 days in advance we tried running, but we could not run more than 200 meters, and then we realized how much we have abused our body and how in what bad health shape we are in. And since then I started running. Started with 200 meters, then 400 meters, 500 meters, a kilometer. Then it went on, and then the same year I ended up doing a couple of ultra marathons, including 180 kilometer in Shimla, which encouraged me. And much prior to that, I started encouraging my friends and family and kids and ladies and gents, everyone. And I'm very happy to say that today everybody in my close circle, be it friends, family, my sister, my close friends Ashish and Dr. Amrish. So our families, our kids, they all have been participating in many marathons. All the ladies, they participated in Pinkathon, they participated in Talent Ki Khoj, they participated in many other events. So almost I think we are doing, ladies might be doing 6, 7 or more events every year, and everybody else is also running a lot. I am doing more regularly, a few events every month, and this is giving us an opportunity to travel together, to live together, roam around together, run together, which is bringing even better bonding between the family and the friends. So it has been amazing journey, and I hope everybody will adopt it someday and will go through it. Wonderful experience. Thank you very
So
much.
you are quite an inspiration, not only for your families, but so many people who would be watching you and seeing this entire family of 16 members who have not come only to explore and experience Amritsar, but also to run and give a message of staying healthy. Ma'am, anything you have to say about Amritsar Half Marathon?
Actually, just to say otherwise, मेन पर्पस या जो मेन हमारा यहाँ आने का रीज़न है वो मैराथन ही है. सो इट्स नॉट कि हम घूमने के लिए आए हैं और फिर मैराथन दौड़ेंगे. हम मैराथन दौड़ने के लिए आए हैं और इसलिए घूमेंगे. अदरवाइज हम आज तक, हम में से शायद कोई भी, आशीष को छोड़ के पूरे ग्रुप में से कोई आज तक अमृतसर नहीं आया था. तो शायद अभी भी नहीं आते हैं अगर जो ये मैराथन नहीं होता. तो ये मैराथन ही हमें यहाँ लेके आई है.
So as we have been saying, that marathon actually connects people, connects places, and it brings families and friends together. So I correct myself. So you are here for marathon, and simultaneously you would be exploring and experiencing Amritsar also.
Correct.
So I take it to the ladies now. Ma'am,
Yeah,
tell us
hi,
something
hello.
about your running journey, your inspiration in the family.
It's not so long. From last year, I have started running, inspired by him. So, अभी तो अच्छा लगे. It enhances our confidence and stamina also. Now we are feeling that we are doing something, and in after 42 years, completing 42 years, it was very dull. Life was very boring, but now it gives us a boost. Life. Thank you.
So we have Mr. Ashish. Yeah, sir. Tell us something about yourself being into Amritsar, running this marathon.
Okay. I do a lot of traveling. Okay, so running is more with the family together. So when these guys run, I take the shortest circuit available. I'll be very honest on that. But I do try and join all of them together. It's a lovely experience being together, you know.
So Ashish is the biggest support. As he said, he travels with us everywhere. He will take his family along. So he, his wife, kids, everybody, and they will run. So a big support from Ashish. Always. Unconditional support.
So I should not do the injustice with all the kids sitting here. We have spoken to many of you. I still remember your face, interacting with you in Talent Ki Khoj. So how has been your journey from that Talent Ki Khoj in Delhi to Amritsar now for the running?
It has been quite amazing, and like running, we are kids, so we enjoy running more than like. And these days, what happened when we first started running, like father said, the first race we did, it was in our society. So in that race, we were tired just by running 200 meters, and now tomorrow we are doing 3 kilometers. The longest distance we have done is 6 kilometers. So now, like, it's been amazing, and in a year or two, we have like improved quite a lot. So like, it's fun. Running is fun.
It has been a very interesting journey that we travel around the not world, actually, India, and we run marathon. It's really amazing to run a marathon, and really my inspiration is my mama. He travels everywhere around India, and he runs very nicely, and really I have been very much inspired from him. I run it's my, I think, 6 kilometers, as Malika said. It's my longest marathon I have run. Here I am to run 3 kilometers, and I think I would enjoy a lot, and hope you all will enjoy. And thank you very much that you have conducted this.
We have Dr. Amrish. Yeah, so sir, I'm sure your influence will also be very great. Being a doctor and staying healthy would always be a recommendation from you.
Actually, I am not that medical doctor.
Okay.
I am a computer doctor.
Okay.
But of course, it's a passion for me also. I am a sports person, as said. Play badminton and all. Okay. But not really actively participating in marathon, but getting enthusiastic about it also now. I will be participating regularly.
Okay. What's your name?
Tanish.
Tanish. Great. So you have been running quite regularly.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So you are running tomorrow 3 kilometers.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's going to be a very easy run for you guys for 3 kilometers.
Yeah, very easy.
Fantastic. So how about your sports in your school and all the stuff?
I play basketball, volleyball, and running, and it's my passion to run. I love it, running, and I was inspired by my mama, and I like running. I want to say this.
Fantastic. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again to everyone, and we'll catch you tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock. Thank you.